Hey guys, it's me, William, and today we'll be playing on a server with my with people from my class. They made their own server, so here we are. So yep. So we're gonna be playing on it. So let's see. So here I built this weird thing, and this weird thing, and this weird thing. This sells melons, carrots, and swords. We also have a house here, and yeah, there's really nothing in it yet. It's like just a clock thing there. And up here we have a police station, and there we have a police station, and I fall down a lot. So in here is like the booth thing where like you sign in, and somebody hasn't pushed that into light before. So I'll get our light blue out and put light blue in there. Okay, so here like where you would like get the thing. And then in here is like the jail cells. So here we have a jail cell. They're all the same. So yeah. Let's go check and look at the other stuff we also built. So yeah, so first I'm gonna put away some of my stuff in a chest because I have absolutely wasted random stuff that I'm just randomly pasting around. Who wants that to happen? So here I also built parkour, also with that cat girl 24, wherever she is down like there. We'll go down there, and I also built this Chica head. And the body head I didn't build. My friend over here, one of my friends who was on the server before, also built it. He told me. And here we have like a stop thing there. And here I don't really know what I'm building in there, but yeah. Let's see. All right, guys, I'll show you the hospital now. So here, nobody places torches. There we go. Okay, so here to get in the receptionist place, you actually have to go in here where it says employees only. And then here we have the thing. And there's a ladder up here into the lab. Here we have a lab. Yep. And also leave a like and comment below. That would be awesome. And yeah, so I'll show you the rest of the downstairs here, and whoever placed that there. And down here, we have the room 2 is in here, and that guy says cough. And then in here we have hi, and then there's another room. I didn't put those like guys in there. It was like get out, I'm having a baby. I didn't do that. Somebody did that. I don't really know who, but they were in the server and did that. So it's just pretty funny. And yep, so I'm going to show you the place also that we're working on. So we have like campfire, and we also have roads. That's really mainly what we're looking at. And over here is the spawn area. And I don't know who dug out this, but it also leads over to here. And let's see what this sign says. Weird, right? Killer Troll was another guy in here. He was another player that he found this, but I actually kind of found it before him because he's gone right now, but he's not in the server right now. And yes, here is the server. And yep, so I'll see you all guys later.